Hey everybody, Tom with Brite here. Congratulations on being selected to be part of the Air Force One project. We at Brite wanted to do our part to see what we could do to help you out and to thank you for your service to your country and to Air Force One and to the history of this great nation. So what we've got for you is Brite Skinz. You're gonna take that thing and make it look amazing. Let's take a look at how you install those. All right, so first of all, we're gonna pull the nose cone off the 3401, separate the handle from it, get some isopropyl alcohol, and we'll start cleaning all the different parts. Now we're gonna clean each part one time with a separate surface of the towel. Polishers get very, very dirty and grimy and covered with wax and greases. So flip the towel after you clean it once, flip it again, and then a third time, and then you'll be sure it's nice and clean. Then we'll start with our first sticker. We're going to start with the nose cone of the polisher. We're going to go ahead and take that, line it up. Now you can put these on and pull them off several different times. Just don't apply any pressure. The adhesive that's on it is made out of like millions of little paintballs, and they're filled with adhesive, and once they react, they kind of become like an epoxy and mix one with another. So just light pressure at first till we're sure we've got it where we want it. So line it up, and then once you get that, grab the one for the side, line it up, and for the other side, and just kind of get them on there just heavy enough. Then we've got our top piece for that nose cone. Just kind of shoot the gap there and get it lined up to where you want it, center it up. And then once you do that, you're gonna roll it over the corners. Now we're gonna grab our center one for the center of the polisher. Now, I usually like to start at the back, but sometimes it's not as easy, so maybe line it up with the front if it becomes troublesome. Kind of try and center it up with that, and then work towards the back, trying to ride that ridge and those kind of body lines of that polisher on the top. And once again, don't press down hard, just kind of lightly get it in place. Once you get it centered, wrap your other pieces around, and they will stretch somewhat, so you can go ahead and move them to where you need them, and just get it around those edges and lightly get it in place. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and grab one of your side stickers and line that up with the back edge at the top, and then work it along that top edge and roll it around that front corner and down towards the bottom, and then go ahead and hit your other side. Like I said, you can always peel it up, push it back down, and when you're happy with what you got there, you're going to grab a hair dryer, because like I said, those millions of little beads, when we get them hot, about 150 to 180 degrees, they start to melt that outer edge of that adhesive, and it starts that adhesive process. And it lets you kind of just, with the heat, put it where it needs to kind of bend around corners and stuff. And you can trim things with a razor blade if you've gone over a little bit. It's pretty normal to have a little teeny bit of excess. Now throw the nose cone and the handle back on. Put these back on. Ours has got the flamethrowers, so we've got flamethrower skins that come with each one. So if you're rocking a set of flamethrowers, throw those on. Now some of you guys at the project have also got the new style of the Beast, so go ahead and you'll get one of those kits. Use it the same way, but there's a different nose cone piece. Start at one edge, wrap it around, then there's a nose cone for the bell on the front of it, and then hit that with some heat again, get that where you want it to be, and it'll just lay right down where you need it, and let it cool. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. So you can see the finished product is pretty impressive. It really protects your polisher, and it really makes a statement on social media. So get your Brite Skinz installed there and let all your friends know about it. Thanks, guys.